What up? What up? What up, YouTube? It's your boy D Finley coming back at you with another one. Oh yeah, it's my super cat. This is number 12 in the collection. It's like a little mini truck. Two-wheel drive. As y'all know, I don't have too many two-wheel drive vehicles, but I like this one. Again, budget-friendly RC. I like the rims when I saw it. It is a 1/12 scale, a little bit smaller than the 110. Now, I did do some upgrades on this one. This one came brushed. Let's take the hood off. Pop the top, baby. Woo, look at that. You can already see I did some upgrades. It had plastic shocks. As you can see, I upgraded to aluminum oil fill. Comes with that stability. Look at that. Oil fill. I had to change out the ESC. Remote. There's the motor. Brushless. Yeah, I needed more speed. It was too slow. This can run 2 and 3S. Oh yeah, I like the slender body. The frame, the thinness. I'll be bringing some larger RCs that have that body frame. I like that. I love the rims. Those are clean. Them blackouts. Look at that. And put the little red wheel locks on there. Clean. One thing I do like about this one as well is the rear is where you put the battery. It has its own housing right there. Two-wheel drive. Does a lot of wheelies because it's rear end heavy. I didn't put any bumpers on this. Again, this is just an asphalt runner. Kind of sits on the shelf. Again, I don't do a ton of running with this one. Let's put it on. Always have trouble getting that top on. There we go. Anyway, so there you go. Car racing. Look at that rear. I had it jacked up a little bit so you can see them. Gives you a 4x4 look. But it's not. Alright, y'all. Thanks for sticking around. Daily Invest channel. Like always, please subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, let us know what's happening. See you on the track. Let's go.